Okay, well, this is another attempt at doing a little video. My sister and her friend have been, and actually all of my friends have been uh, chasing after me to do little videos of me working on bikes in my garage and that kind of stuff, which I personally think it's kind of boring. But that being said, what do when I'm not in my garage at night? I watch people working on motorcycles on YouTube, Brickhouse Builds, all those guys I follow. Even if they're just buffing a gas tank, I'll sit there and watch that for half an hour. It actually is amazing. But that being said, I had done a video earlier, sent it to my sister, and of course I had the radio on in the background, so you can't have that because it's a copyright infringements, and it's stuff you don't even think about. But this is basically an introduction. Basically, my name is Russ. I work on old bikes. I retired from Freedom Cycle down in Concord, New Hampshire, KTM, Yamaha, Kawasaki, so on and so forth, dealership, big dealership. And so these days, if I'm not riding, I am restoring old bikes. I'll show you guys a little thing of some of the bikes that I have, and I'll do that now because otherwise I'll forget. And so anyway, there we go. GS650G, finished the build. These are all bikes I buy for a couple $100 basically, but I'm waiting for carb parts. 74 GT380, got it from a guy, original owner, has sat in his garage for 28 years, so it was a restoration. 72 GT750 Lamar, first year of the liquid cooled coming in the United States, so that's pretty cool. That sat in a barn for 41 years. A Cove 450 Rally, FSE Rally, really cool bike. I got that about a year ago. My 2014 Kawasaki KTM 1190 Adventure R. We got probably, I don't know, 35,000 miles on that bike. It's been fantastic. Little Vulcan EN 500 that I'm putting together for my sister because she's riding a bike that's a little bit too big for her these days. And a KZ 750 Spectra 1983, I believe. I just finished kind of rehabbing that one. It was a little rougher than what you see. And of course, the one I just came back from, portion of the Mid-Atlantic BDR and Southeast BDR. I'm just doing an oil change and putting her back together now. And of course, my messy garage, controlled chaos. Ultrasonic cleaner, vapor blast cabinet. I'm doing carbs over there. So I'm going to try to put this back in there without screwing up my video, if I can. So there you go. But anyway, that's what I do. My background is motorcycles for the most part. I did data installation years ago, plumber, so on and so forth. So I'll be 68 in August, 2.5 months away or something like that. I've been riding and racing bikes, road racing and motocross. Excuse me. Wow. Enduro, now adventure bikes these days. I've been doing that for really since the started the segment. And yeah, that's what I do, but I can't ride at the high level that I used to because, of course, I can't take the hits when I fall off, and yeah, everybody falls off these things when you're riding off-road. It's just part of the game. Yeah, it's just I've always been the old guy, everybody calls me old man, that keeps up with the younger guys, and I've all been Mr. Bulletproof. Well, last year I had a heart attack, 2 blocked arteries, 90-95%. They stented me and set me on my way. And these days, every time I wake up in the morning, I look and say, "Okay, man, I got another go here." but it just it's a testament to that. I guess all you guys are thinking, well, I'm 50 some years old, I can't ride anymore. Well, just if the world don't fit you on what you're riding, adjust it, make it fit you. It's that simple. It's just you know, there's a billion different types of motorcycles out there. You find the one that fits your particular need at the time, and that's what you do. You just keep on riding and getting out there and doing things. It's you know, too many guys, they retire and they sit in a chair and die. So that ain't gonna happen to me. If I'm gonna check out, it's gonna be on one of my motorcycles, hopefully walking to it so I don't screw up the bike in the crash. So yeah, that's my reality these days. You know, I get enough chins on me for fill a Chinese phone book, and my gut's a little bigger than it used to be. That don't go away anymore like it used to, and so I just I enjoy working on bikes, restoring old bikes, as you saw some of the stuff I showed you, and that's what I do these days. And so I've been, like I said, my buds that I ride with and my family just go, oh, you should videotape stuff. And like I said, I think it's kind of boring looking at me talk about motorcycles, but again, that's what I watch on YouTube. So that being said, you know, I'm just going to finish up the 790 here. I'm just going to put the bash plate back on it, and she'll be ready to go. I'm doing a ride for the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation in a couple of weeks. 150 miles on Saturday and 100 miles on Sunday, I believe, and it's I'd say majority is off-road. So I'll run the 790 on Saturday, and then I'm going to run the Cove on Sunday and get that all muddy. And we've been having a lot of rain around here, so it's going to be deep water and a lot of mud. Now, I'll do some filming on that. I'll run my GoPro, so yeah, that's what it is. Again, it is what it is. This is what I do, and I can see my eyes not looking at something. Okay, but anyway, that's it. Goodbye.